Good morning students, welcome back to the online session. In the last session we had discussed about the new chapter knowing our numbers. In that knowing our numbers we had discussed about the comparing the numbers, ascending order and descending order, Indian system and international system, and how to read and write the numbers in Indian system and international system also. In this session we will learn about the introduction to large numbers. Introduction to large numbers, and the next concept is place value of a given number. In this session I will discuss these topics: place value of a given number, and the next topic is expansion of a given number. Expansion of a given number, and the next topic is round of numbers, and the next topic is round of numbers. So first we go to the topic introduction to large numbers. We come across the many large numbers in our daily life situations. For example, what is the cost of the building? So we learn the rupees 2 crores. 2 crores. So this is the largest number. In the same way, in this session we learn about the large numbers. So what is the big? We have already learned in our previous classes. We had already learned about in previous classes. So up to 10,000 plus. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? So you had already known what is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999. So this is the greatest 5-digit number. So how can we get 6-digit number by using this greatest 5-digit number? So very easy. So we can add 1 to this greatest 5-digit number. So we can add 1 to greatest 5-digit number. So we can get 6-digit number. We can get 6-digit number. So how many digits in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. 6 digits are there, and this is also smallest 6-digit number. This number is a smallest 6-digit number. Next, how can we get 7-digit numbers? So what is the greatest 6-digit number? We already know 9,99,999. This is the greatest 6-digit number. So we can add 1 to this number. So what number we get? So 7-digit number we get. That means 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. How many digits in this number? 7 numbers. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many digits are there? 7 digits are there. So this is also a smallest 7-digit number. This is also a smallest 7-digit number. Next, how can we get 8-digit number? In the same way, we can take the greatest 7-digit number. That means 99 lakhs 99,999. This is the greatest 7-digit number. So we can add 1 to this number. What number we can get? So 8-digit number we can get. That means 1 crore. So how many digits in this number? 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits are there? 8 digits are there. So this number is a 8-digit number. So this number is a 8-digit number. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number. In the same way, we can write also smallest 9-digit number, smallest 10-digit numbers. These are the large numbers we have discussed in this topic. Next we have go to the place value of a given number. So next we can go to the topic place value of a given number. So what is the place value? What is meant by a place value? So place value means every digit has its every digit has its own value. Every digit has its own value depending on the position of its depending upon the position depending upon the position of its place value chart. Place value chart. So what is meant by place value? Every digit has its own value depending upon the position of its place value chart. So for example, what is the place value of 9 in the number in the given number in both the numeric systems? What are the system in Indian system? In international system, we can find the place value of 9 in this given number. So first we can find the place value in Indian system. So write the number 95476 So in Indian system, what are the values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. So we can put the commas. So we had already discussed in the last session. So this number is in Indian system. So write the place values of above this number. This one is ones place. This number is in tens place. This number is in hundreds place. And this number is in thousands place. This number is in 10,000 place. This number in lakhs place. And this number is in 10 lakhs. And this number is in crore. So which number do you want? 9. We can find the place value of 9 in given this number. So what is the place value of 9 in this number? Crores. What is the place value of in this number? 9 in this number? Crores value. So we can write the place value of 9 is the place value of 9 in Indian system. I had discussed about in Indian system 9 which is in place, crores place. So 9 crores. What is the place value of 9 in this number? 9 crores. And the next method is also there. So in the next method we can write what is the number? 9. In which place? Crores place. So we can multiply with that crores. So 9 into 1 crore is equal to 9 crores. So the place value of 9 in Indian system is 9 crores. Next we can find the place value of 9 in international system. Next one we can go to international system. So in international system, what are the values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions and billions. So first you can write this number in international system 95476 256. So we can find the what is the place value of 9 in international system. So next we first you can put the commas every three digits from the right side, 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So next we can write the place values, values of international system in above this number. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. So what is the place value of 9 in international system? 10 millions. What is the place value of 9 in international system? 10 millions. So 10 millions. In the place of 10 millions, what is the number? 9. So 9 10 millions means 90 millions. So you can also write in the another way. What is the number? 9. Into in which place the number is in there? 10 millions. So we can write. So 9 into 10 millions? 90 millions. 9 into 10 millions? 90 millions. So again I can explain what is the place value. Every digit. So you can take in this, you can take this digit. It is the digit has its own value. For example, the digit is in ones place. So what is the place values of 6? In 6 is a 6 because it is in one's place value. So every digit has its own value depending upon the position of its place value chart. So for example, you can take one example. So we can take one number. In that number, we can find the place value of 9 in both the systems, in Indian system and in international system. In Indian system, what is the place value of 9? 9 crores. In international system, what is the place value of 9? 90 million. So students, you can understand. Next, we are going to the topic expansion form. So next we are going to the topic expanded form. In expanded form, writing the numbers, adding of its place values. For example, you can take one number. So I can take this number. So we can expand it in both the system, in Indian system and in international system. First we can expand this every number. We can expand every number with its place value. So we can expand every number with its value and can add all digits. So first write you can in Indian system. So in Indian system, you already know the values. This is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, this is in thousands place, this is in 10,000 place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. So next we can put the commas. From last to 3, from the right side, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. This is belongs to in thousand place and these two numbers belongs to lakhs place. So this number is in Indian system. How to read? 9 crores 76 lakhs 54,329. So next we can expanded each and every number with its place value. So first you can write 9. First you can write 9 into. So what is the place value of 9? Crores. So we can multiply 9 into crores. Plus next number 7 into what is the place value, what is the value of this 7? 10 lakhs. So we can multiply with 7 with 10 lakhs. Plus what is the next number? 6. So 6 into 6, what is the position of 6 in this number? Lakhs position. So we can multiply lakh into 6. Next what is the number? 5. 5 is in 10,000 place. So we can multiply 10,000 into 5. Next, what is the number? 4. 4 into the position of the 4 is thousands place. So you can multiply 4 with 1000. Next, 3. What is the position of 3? Very good. It is in hundreds place. So next, what is the number? 2. 2 into what is the position of 2? Tens place. 10 plus last number 9. 9 into what is the position of 9? 9 is in ones place. So we can multiply with 1. So the expanded form is in this way. So the number can be expanded. That means each and every number can be. So students, we can we have we have understand. So the expanded form can be each and every number can be expanded with its place value. So this is in second case is also there, we can easily remember. First, what is the number? 9. 9 into, so you close 9, how many digits are there? So count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits are there. So we can write seven, yeah, first you can write 1, after that one you can write 7 digits, that means 7 zeros plus. So next you can write 7, you close 7, how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. So we can 7 into 1, we can write 6 zeros after 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus. Next, 6. 6 can be written in this place into. So you can close the 6. How many numbers are there? 5 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. So we can write 1. After 1, you can write 5 zeros. Plus, next. Next you can write 5. 5 into, how many digits? You can close 5. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. So 1 2 3 4. So we can write 4 zeros plus. So next number you can write 4. 4 into, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So we can write 3 zeros after 1 plus. Next, what is the number? 3. So you can write 3 after how many? You can close 3 after how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So 3 into, that means the number is 100 plus. Next you can close the 2 after, you can write 10 plus 9 into 1. So both the methods are same. You can follow your convenient. So in Indian system is over. Next we can go to the international system. So students, we can expand the this number in international system. So in international system, what are the values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions and billions. So we can first we can put the commas every 3 digit number from the right. So 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma and 1 2. So leave it. So next we can write the place values. This is in international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. So we can write the expansion. So first we can write 9. What is the position of 9 in this number? 10 millions place. What is the position of this number? 10 millions. 10 millions are there. So we can multiply with 9. So 9 into 10 plus next number. What is the next number? 7. We can multiply 7 with, what is the position of 7 in millions place? So millions place. So plus. So next number, what is the next number? 6. 6 into, what is the position of 6? It is in hundreds thousand. It is in hundreds thousands plus next number. What is the next number? 5. 5 is in thousands. So written thousands place. So students, next we can write 4. 4 is in which place? Thousands place. And next number, what is the next number? 3. 3 is in hundreds place. And the next number is 2. What is the position of 2? 2 is in tens place. And the last one, 9. 9 is in which place? Ones place. So students, do you understand? This is in international system. In the same way, we can follow the next method. Same, it is very easy. So first we can write 9. You can close 9. How many digits are there? 7 digits are there. So you can write 1. 7 zeros after 1. You can write 7 zeros after 1. So plus. So next number you can write 7 into. So after 7, how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. So we can write 6 zeros after 1. So next plus. So next number, what is the next number? 6. 6 into, you can close 6 up to 6. How many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So we can put 1 after 5 zeros plus. Next number, what is the next number? 5. You can close 5 into, how many digits are there? 4 digits. 4 digits are there. So you can write after 1 4 digits. Next, what is the number? What is the next number? 4. 4 into, how many digits are there? 4 after 3 digits are there. So you can write 1 after 3 digits plus. So what is the next number? 3. So 3 after 2 digits are there. So plus after that 2. So we can close 2. So how many numbers, remaining numbers? 1 number. That means 1 0. We can write with 1 0. Next last number 9. So it is in ones place. We can multiply with ones place. So students, we can understand the expanded form can be discussed in Indian system and international system. This is two methods. We can expand in two methods. We follow in your convenient. So next we can discuss about the round of numbers. So next we are discussing about round of numbers. So this is very easy. Please listen carefully. So round of numbers. We come across many situations in your daily life. For example, you can attend the birthday party. I ask one question. How many people attend the birthday party? You say approximately 100 people. You say approximately 100 people. And I can ask another question. How many students attend in your examinations? You can say nearly 1,000 people. So 1,000 students are attend to that examinations. Nearly or roughly, you use these words. Nearly rough people are attended, near roughly 1,000 people are attended. What is the meaning of these words? Approximately, nearly, roughly. These words tells the do not show the exact number of people attend that party. So you don't know how many people are attend that party. You can assume nearly 100 people are attended party. Nearly 1,000 people are attended that party. Roughly 1,000 people are attended that party. So these three words meaning is do not show the exact number. Do not show the exact number of people or material. Exact number. Do not show the exact number. So these we can easily verify by using the. We can easily find out the numbers, round of the numbers. So the Round of the numbers are nearest to the tens. Nearest to tens. In the same way, nearest to hundreds. In the same way, nearest to thousands. First, we have discussed about the nearest to tens. So, for example, what is the round of the number of 35? What is the round of the number 35? So, sorry, 35, 37. What is the round of the number 37? So, first the number 37, the position of the number 37 is in between 30 and 40. So, the number is in between 30 and 40. So, what is the middle value of 30 and 40? 35. Now, what is the position of 37? So, the position of 37 is there. So, 37 is nearest to 40 or 37 is nearest to 30. So, good students, 37 is nearest to 40 when compared to the 30. When compared to the 30. So, what is the round of number of 37? We tell 40. So students, do you understand what is the round of number of 37? 40. Next we can go to the another example, 82. So the number 82 is in between 80 and 90. The number 82 is in between 80 and 90. So what is the middle value of 80 and 90? 85. So what is the position of 82? Below the number of 85, 82. So now 82 is nearest to 80 or nearest to 90. So good. 82 is nearest to 80. So the round of the number of 82 is 80. So we can tell round of the number 82 is 80. So next we can go to the another example, 75. What is the round of the number 75? So again, the number 75 is in between 70 and 80. So again I can tell what is the middle value of 70 and what is the middle value of these two numbers? 75 is the middle value of these two numbers. So the question is also same, 75, 75. So what is the nearest value of 75? The distance from 75 to 70 and 75 to 80 is equal, but we convenient to write the round of the number of 75 is 80. This is the nearest to tens of the round of the numbers nearest to tens. So in the same way, nearest to hundreds. So first we can see the example, 252. What is the nearest number of this 252? So we can discuss about hundreds, nearest to the hundreds. So this is the 100 number, the 100 place value of the number. So we 252, the number 252 is in between 200 and 300. The number is in between 200 and 300. What is the middle value of 200 and 300? 250. What is the middle value of 200 and 300? 250. But the position of 252 is above the number of 250. So 250. So 252 is nearest to the 300 or nearest to the 200? Good. It is nearest to the 300. So the round of this number is 300. The round of this number is 300. You can see another example also, 1673. So we can take up to hundreds place. That means we can discuss it in the hundreds place only. That means 673. The number 673 is in between 600 to 700. What is the middle value of 600 and 700 and 650? What is the position of 673 after 650? So we can write 673 in this position. So 673 is Nearest to 700 or nearest to 600? Good. It is nearest to 700. So we can write 6773 round off to 700. So the answer is 1700. So the answer is 1700. So students, do you understand? Next we can go to the next topic, nearest to thousands. Nearest to thousands. So first we can, let us take another example. 1693. So we discussed up to thousands. So this number is in thousand number. So first we can, but this number is in between 1000 and 2000. The number is in between 1000 to 2000. What is the middle value of 1000 and 2000? 1500. So the middle value of these two numbers is 1500. So 1693 is in this position, and after, that means after 1500. So 1693 is nearest to 2000 or nearest to 1000? It is nearest to 2000. So the round of this number is 2000. And the next number 5763. 15,763. So we can take up to thousands place. That means 5,763. So the 5,763 is in between 5,000. So the middle value of 5,763 is in between 5,000 to 6,000. So 5,000, what is the middle value of these two numbers? 5,500. So what is the position of this number? The number is in this position. So 5,763 is nearest to 6,000 or nearest to 5,000. So good students, 5,763 is nearest to the 6,000. So the round of this number is 16,000. So this number is right to 6,000. So the answer is 16,000. So students, in this session we learn about the round of numbers, expansion of the numbers, and place value of the number, and introduction to large numbers. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you.